Hi from Plano Public Library. My name is Alexis and today we're going to be learning about how to make Play-Doh from common kitchen ingredients.
You'll need to gather flour, cream of tartar, salt, vegetable oil, and food coloring from your kitchen. You can also add glitter if you'd like to make your Play-Doh sparkle. The ingredients that we will be using today are 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, half a cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of boiling water. You'll mix all of these ingredients together in a large bowl. Once your mixture becomes thicker, you can go ahead and pick whatever color you'd like your Play-Doh to be. We chose blue. The color becomes darker the more food coloring you add, so be sure to mix up your Play-Doh as you add in the food coloring. Once you get it to the right shade, you can go ahead and add in your glitter. Be sure to mix in the glitter evenly throughout your Play-Doh. At this point, you can mix the Play-Doh together with your hands. If it still feels too sticky, feel free to add in more flour until you can get it to the right consistency. You can now mold your Play-Doh into whatever shape you'd like. You can use your Play-Doh to practice letters, numbers, and shapes.
Thank you for tuning in today. Be sure to follow the Plano Public Library on our social media for more activities. Bye!